So today I have the key to the 2021 Mercedes Benz GLE 53 AMG, and I'm going to showcase how to replace the battery in your key fob. So first off, to make it easier on yourself, push this little button on the back, and that will push it down and pull this key out. It's a manual key, and we'll be using the tip of this to make our jobs easier in a second. So you can push down on this, and it'll help you pull this backing piece off. So this is the front of the key with the buttons, and you're basically going to be taking this piece off right here. I don't think it actually holds from the button, but I just feel like it just helps me get a better grip on the key to slide it out. So you can see that button doesn't actually hold this slot in, but just pushing your finger in there helps you kind of rip them in two different directions. So you get the back off, and where the key is in this spot right here. It's slid in like a little dish tray. So what you're going to do is you're going to use this manual key that I pulled out. You're going to use the fine edge right there, and you're going to basically slide it like this, like right in here. Give you a good shot right there. So basically slide it right there, or get something like a little flathead screwdriver and kind of just pull the key out. Just gently so you don't rip anything. And then it kind of slides itself out. So you're going to pull it out on this. And then this is the battery type. It is a CR2032, like many batteries are. So then you're going to replace it, which I do not have to do. I'm just showing for these purposes. The battery point of contact is button side down, so when you put it back in, just remember that. Just basically do reverse of everything you did. It's kind of like spring loaded, so push it in, and it'll kind of hold itself there once you get far enough. And do the complete opposite of what you did to get to this point. So slide cover back on. You're gonna hear a click, and slide your manual key back in. You're gonna hear audible clicks all along the way, and there you have it. You will not need any sort of special programming for the key. The key will remember. You're just swapping out the battery. But I hope that showed you how to replace the battery in your Mercedes Benz GLE 53 AMG, and this will also work with any key that looks like this, not just that vehicle. But thanks for watching. Hope this helped.